In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a double underline in Google Docs. It's a fantastic way to make certain parts of your text stand out, whether you're working on a presentation or just emphasizing key points in a document. So, let's dive right into the process, step by step. We'll start by opening your Google Docs document. Once you're ready to create a double underline, head over to the menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Drawing and then click New. This opens up a new drawing window where we'll do most of our work today. Now, with the drawing window open, look for the text box icon, which is a little square with a T inside. Click on it and then click and drag to form a text box within the drawing window. Here, type the text you want to double underline. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a longer sentence, whatever you need. Take a moment to make sure your text is correct and how you want it to look in terms of font and size. Next, we'll add the double underline. To do this, locate the line icon in the toolbar, which looks like a diagonal line. Click on it. Now, click and drag directly under your text to draw a line. After completing the first line, you'll need to repeat this process to create the second line right below the first one. Don't worry if the lines aren't perfect just yet. We'll sort that out in the next step. Once both lines are in place, it's time to adjust them. You can click on each line to move it around and position it directly under your text. Take this opportunity to tweak the width and thickness of each line to your liking. Having the lines evenly spaced and the right thickness will help achieve a professional look. When you're satisfied with the placement and appearance of your text and lines, it's crucial to group these elements together. This makes moving or adjusting them later much easier. Click on the text box and both lines while holding the Shift key. This allows you to select all three elements at once. With them selected, right-click and choose Group from the context menu. Now they're locked together as one unit. Finally, let's wrap things up by saving our work. Click Save and Close at the top right corner of the drawing window. This will drop your grouped text and double underline back into your Google Doc. With the drawing selected in your document, you might want to adjust its position a bit. For better options, change the wrap text setting. You can choose either behind text or in front of text to get the perfect position and ensure your double underline fits seamlessly with the rest of your document. And there you have it, a custom double underline in Google Docs. Give it a try and let your text stand out with this unique formatting trick.